anniversary!
We built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. Say you don't know me, sinking in your fight. Too many runaways eating up the night. Marconi plays the mambo. Listen to the radio. Don't you remember? We built this city. We built this city on rock and roll.
Happy Thanksgiving anniversary!
We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. It's just another Sunday in a tired old street. Police have got the chokehold. And we just lost the beat. Who counts the money underneath the bar? Who rides the wrecking ball into our guitars?
This time, wala na pong imposible. And ESC can be part of it to make the impossible possible for Puerto Princesa and the entire Palawan. With that, maraming salamat po sa ESC at I wish you all the best, ma'am, with Sir Mark and the ESC and the family of the
Your
ESC.
favorite radio station in your favorite radio city, the city by the bay, the city that rocks, the city that never sleeps.
Marconi plays the mambo. Listen to the radio.
I think it's about time you guys have a good share of a piece of paradise of your own. Our project will be our project. Good evening tonight. Let's enjoy and celebrate your 25 years of ESA existence for the development of yourself and the development of Puerto Princesa and Palawan. Good evening.